North Texas not doing too bad. We had a cold front that made its way through the area earlier today. That cold front is to the south now, and you can see some storms right behind the front, kind of from Corsicana, then stretching towards Gun Barrel City, just to the south of Canton, along I-20, and then continuing up towards Mineola. But it's been the storms ahead of the front that are running into more of that instability. So the threat has been a little bit higher in central Texas this afternoon. We've got 2 severe thunderstorm warnings kind of right along the I-45 corridor. Heavy rain and lightning, very significant with these storms. I've turned the lightning off, but just to kind of show you, if you're going to be traveling south on I-45 from Richland basically through Buffalo right now, you don't want to do that. We've got 1 severe thunderstorm warning. It continues through 6 o'clock this evening, another one through about 6:15. Not only are these storms producing that significant lightning and that heavy rain, but also quarter size up to $half size hail. We saw these storms closer to the I-35 corridor in Hill County and McLennan County earlier, and they've been tracking to the east-southeast, which is what they're going to continue to do because this cold front is going to continue pushing south into this evening. So I actually do think that here for most of North Texas, certainly the Metroplex and a lot of spots that dealt with severe weather earlier in the week, we were kind of able to dodge the worst of it because as this cold front continues to push south, it kind of limits the instability. The storms weaken, and by 8 o'clock this evening, we've got some storms in central Texas, but most of us are kind of dealing with calmer conditions, and then we've got partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies overnight. So there is still a severe thunderstorm watch in place. This goes through 10 o'clock this evening, but I wouldn't be surprised, especially if after the next hour or so, as those storms continue to move off to the east-southeast, if some of our counties are allowed to expire from this severe thunderstorm watch. So we'll keep you updated on that on social media. But remember, this cold front is going to stall to the south of us for a couple of days. So our rain chances actually continue into the work week. We've got coverage at 40% on Monday. It actually picks up into the evening. Tuesday is the best day for seeing rain, and I think some heavy rain is going to be possible. I've got the chances at about 80% on Tuesday and still a 40% chance for showers and maybe even a few storms as we continue into Wednesday, finally start to dry out by the time we get to Thursday. But it does look like a significant amount of rainfall over a few days time span, but especially the farther south and east you are. We still have abnormally dry conditions here, and of course we're getting close to summer, so we need all of the rain that we can get. So we've got those chances at 30 to 40%. Of course, Tuesday 80% coverage, and temperatures are going to be a little bit cooler as we've got the rain and clouds around, but Thursday, Friday, and into next weekend, we've got the 70s and even the 80s back by Friday.